Yeah, bongo. Nigga, bongo. Okay, mommy uncle. It's me say adongo, bongo, osongo, otongo, okongo, abongo, konongo, azongo, adongo, otongo, abongo, DJ, what Jimmy. Okay, DJ, and now she, everybody, see what the mark can Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Ah, enye Abuzan.
Saudi Arabia you know.
Miskini no.
Abuzan. Abuzan.
Yeah, Siva.
Siva. Alafat.
Yeah, I'm Fatala. I'm signature.
Hey, that's what signature.
How are you? And I want to see.
Yeah, all the building belong to me.
Hey, Abuzan.
Yeah, from Saudi Arabia.
Hey, let's go.
Meeting Katache.
Abuzan, Sir. Abuzan.
We are three.
We are three. Oh, we be teaching.
Abuzan. Asharafi, and Sheikh Mansour.
Asharafi na bodam.
Sir. What do you want? So all the building in signature belong to me.
I said no fan no cry na efrem no.
Busafi na efrem.
Abufa say na na nya ko kakra.
No, in Saudi Arabia. I'm in Ghana. I'm one of my biggest hotel.
Hey,
yeah, signature. Maybe I told you.
Okay. Hey, Abuzan.
Zina la French, Zina Grand Araba Maleka.
Alafad, baby son. On who's free? Abuzan, but you Alafad now can say.
In Saudi Arabia. Alafraj, the one who flush toilet.
What the flush toilet?
In Saudi. And if we're talking about Abuzim is the one who mob the area of a hotel. So this is one of my biggest hotel.
Yeah.
You call it signature. In Arabic, called Al-Sigja. Okay, this is my mama, one of my hotels, so I'm just walking around. When I meet you, are you in Ghana?
Yeah, we're in Ghana. Hey, Abuzan. Have you been said one? Okay. Hey, what kiss you? Shouldn't I tell you? Or should the property? Or what blow? Or should Abuzan. Upon lab, your bosses in the door.
Okay, I have 120,000.
Hey! Oh, 122.
122 buses.
Baba, I could be asked.
And all the people that we leave is my slaves. Yeah, but they're all my slaves.
How come?
Yeah, because in Saudi, they call them honest slave.
Yes, from the
because this is one of my cars. When I want to go into my car, if I used to hold the car start parking. Let's say,
or the check can so I can't be parking.
So I won't waste my time.
Okay, don't waste your time.
In Ghana, we call this one city. Share.
Hey,
I'm going to school.
No, okay, come, you come. Take you to buy coffee. Okay, take it, go. Thank you. Make sure you didn't go beyond my car.
Okay.
Thank you very much and I appreciate it. Okay, this is my name, Sheikh Mansour. I'm the one of the biggest, richest man.
Another one of your phone.
Okay. Yeah, hello. Don't go beyond my car. Thank you very much. Because of my car, when you go beyond, Thank you very much, and I appreciate. I love you so. One of my visitors in here. I'm not in. Okay, I will come there. UK to talk about. Okay. So then I share my greetings. Okay, thank you. And you. So if you come to Ghana, here is one of my hotel, one of the biggest. You can spend your holidays here, so that you cannot pay nothing. Thank you, I appreciate. Okay, Alifa. Yeah. Alifa, I will come to Saudi next week. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, thank you. My name is Sheikh Mansour. Every property in Ghana belongs to me. Thank you. I appreciate. Okay. So you are welcome. So you want to drink something?
No, we actually have to go out right now.
Oh, okay. If you want to drink something, I will just then bring something.
Can you get a card for us?
You said?
Can you get a card?
Yeah, really, as you said. I'm one of the richest men in this country.
Okay, can you get a card for us?
You want a car?
Yeah.
Okay. Bring one by my phone. My phone to make a call. Okay.
Lamborghini or?
You want a Lamborghini?
Yeah.
Lamborghini. Hello.
Sheikh Mansour.
Okay, it's me, Sheikh Mansour. I've met some of my friends from India. I'm in Ghana, one of the richest men in the UAE. I want you to bring one of my car, Lamborghini, for one girl, and you want what car?
I'm okay with her.
Okay, you want to bet that in the share. Okay, it means it will be one of his car. So thank you. The car will arrive soon. Okay, thank you. Will arrive soon. So can I give you something small that you can occupy your space?
Sorry?
Can I give you something small that can occupy your space?
Occupy my space?
Yeah, a certain money you want. You want money?
Oh yeah, sure.
Oh, okay, thank you very much. You can open my bag.
For the charge I go. Receipt. For what? Yeah. 305 restaurant. Yeah. Can I do for 400? Hey, now what receipt. Yeah. Says Dabi. Me the day free. Me 305. Accra. Dabi. Sure. So me do the manka. Blah. Family point about it. Ah. Let's say we D. Mission accomplished. Don't be pissed on instead. As usual. What's it day? Who bought that day? What we have a boate? Asia. Who got to me say me Ntua? Killer. Blah. Killer Ntua. Ne dey no timi one who baby I say 305 na buy. Me ba Medina no mo signal me say 305. O me join the power. Ti me ba nyina wo me. And that's what we have to Major Goto. Major Nwa. From one minute, not Simanka. Blah blah. If it's in a call, 10 years. Receipt in the year. Hey, don't even try. Me pay wasem 305. Madrian Ede. And containing all the food nutrients. Me pay wasem. Don't even try. And yes, I didn't be him. So ube musa be try on my bidia abaya sign me am I clear? Good. What about try no me pon kwen won what cause yeah killer ma bra bro who jimi okomo hey what do them me pon what Mama tadi here. Bakla, why are you? Just watch me. Assign ba ne restaurant be Hana buy. That's 305 no. Mo make sure say azulence ya. Me pin yakopon. Me put mo nkwa na gu ate. Transfer. Mo bi antwa me bi mo ate. Gentlemen. Hey, master. Yeah. Good. Boko there. Kwa master, me the track bi aba. Me be say ka me future. Me tu ana mintua. Hey, me tu ana mintua. Good as usual. One keep on number 4. What the track bi buy? Na etepa. Kwa master, mami here enyum ni kakra wada ruma. Wako shemache. Too much.
Track the moody. I and my shorty. I and my shorty. I want. Hey, me watch a scale. We are going to be with me. Fear him to be me. There is so a besseneco. Hey, I'm paying. I'm a banker. Maybe son so per day. Osureti and no conton and lipstick in eyelashes. And Mamma come with me. Yamka.
I join a moo. Oh, to back me. What become Kohana become call. Why? Azule, we are head to what? Ha! Hey, wine. Okay, Sako verse. I'm had it. Converse, no.
Me watch a scale. We are going to be with me. Fear him to be me. As to so a besseneco.
Good. It's one I bessening.
And I'm almost so.
Okay. You saw the track, Biaba. Sekula.
Yeah, new track.
Tournament shot here to honor. Kakre BMS, made me verse, but to swa.
And him say what you.
One of me had here. Bo.
All right. My phone.
Measured by the heart, so if you be long distance, I don't mind. So traffic will program us around Machi, and I will dedicate my time. So I got to worry about and you're going. Long distance and penetrate the head. Long distance and penetrate the head. Mr. Amalinda, let me near Papa. I don't know you are. I don't want to call you or text you. I want to see you face to face. I don't want to call you or text you, maybe. I don't want to call you or text you.
Okay. I wanna test you. I wanna mingle. I wanna take you out to go. Hey, yeah. Me one here.
The two mommy because co practice your corner easy.
Okay. To the raw and I'm shady. To the raw and I'm shady.
I don't want to call you or text you. I want to see you face to face. I don't want to call you or text you. Maybe.
Good. Why are there? Maybe some don't tell me so. Met you and I'm in Ntua. Good. As usual. Me always me and Sebi. Don't be urgent. Don't be optical. Okay. Don't be pessimistic. Am I clear? Am I clear? Am I clear? Good, as usual. Prime Master, for on girls, I'll be your friend.
Thank you.
Okay. Good. Men far. Because who should be now was one anymore. Ayazule. Against woman. Am I clear? Hey, Prime Master. Good. You are welcome.
Thank you.
Mama, dear sir.
Ni awo pala on sa kanu. Me kasa che wa wonte. Who does it that I am? Azule na ya say yo. Azule.
Black and Ghpage. You want Azule by now. What saying? Oh, mommy, for the Quran, and I'm not complaining.
What bomb and this soon? What bomb and this? I
on the purchase in the Mammy, what I mean to them of a door, and I am a reward. What true the night and you know. Pacheni say and is ringing up your pee. What you want to say? One bonny taught us how far I net you. You know, hey, I didn't buy I was there, so which I want you to.
Now, as you ask, what about my band?
As you are best, I
bet my band. Obet maba.
Just me your be me boa. Good.
Yeah, mun chaso mun na mo ya.
Mami chaso.
Mami wo si chaso.
Eti TV na me to na Azula ni sa no.
Na ya de sa no.
Good.
TV e brand new.
Ah, Monsieur Azula wani mu harmo. Na plantain e bia na kwa no be fiara.
Ah, fiara no be yo.
Wo ba be yo ya kwa.
Wo. Hey.
Enti Azula na ni say.
Azula.
Me dala say. Good. Azula. A message. Wabamba me fia be sema me TV. Good. Me to abeto. Me ya obeye.
Ne wo so be too soon. Wo so be
okay, good.
Chaso me srawa chaso. What are you going to talk about?
Sister.
Chaso wa ya.
Your friend me say.
Pacho, your friend will kill him here.
Good. I will be back.
Hey.
They say, Eye muncha so muncha ntokwa no so. Mesia wa muncha so.
Hey. Ghpage me.
Bese muncha so.
Wasia of usha na dai.
So no watrati wo.
Good. Mo bia mo di bi. Hey. Wa Jimmy. O na me pe wasem. Enye on e fa ho brase no. Kwasia Jimmy.
Hey,
ma me ble bo no fa won sanka. Hey, fatuo. Okay, the make catch am say I will be back.
Good.